you tired of waiting for precision laser cut parts that don't fit? We get it. At Stevens Gaskets, we deliver perfectly finished bespoke shims and components, fast. As the UK's leading laser cutting specialists, we ensure accuracy and reliability in every part we create. Whether it's for shim, foil, or more complex metalwork, you get results that fit every single time. Need samples, prototypes? We've got you covered. With fast turnaround times and worldwide delivery, we're here to help your business grow by delivering high-quality parts when and where you need them. From automotive to aerospace, our bespoke services are designed to keep your projects moving forward, on time and on budget. We're here to contribute to your success. Ready to experience the best in precision laser cutting? Visit Stevens Gaskets today for a quick quote and see how we can help you get perfect results with competitive pricing.